straight on?
Yes.
Straight on in the top?
Yes. And you have to flatten that fucker out totally. Yep. And then make sure it stays up in that little notch and you don't slip.
You're running this table here?
No, I'm just here.
Is it the Eve or
I'm not with Toool, I'm just here.
I'm looking for Babak or Dave or any of those guys. You know where they are?
Who?
Babak or Deviant or any of them. You know where they are? Right.
But you're Bernie S, right?
Yeah.
Big fan.
So it's
I see the t-shirt.
nice and flat. So
That's the old school.
I'm that guy
you want to try to push it in slightly and stand it back up.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice meeting you.
So like halfway through. Let me just...
Yeah.
Nope. It has to be all the way in.
all the way in.
Yeah, so that's what's actually gonna pick it. So you want to flatten it out all the way in.
And then all the way back.
And you
Period.
should have, if it was bent enough in the right spot, it should come. Let's see how it bent back.
Yeah,
this
it bent
this
back.
metal is really light.
Okay.
So we have it going that way.
Yeah. You know what? I think I pushed it in too far.
Too far, it
the
was
first
touching?
time. Yeah,
Alright.
it was touching. So I think I need a new. I need a new one.
So just straighten it out somewhere.
I'm sure it
Put
happened.
it down.
So not all the way in.
No,
just
you want to
part
lift
of the way
up.
in.
Yes.
Okay. And then the second time you go all the way in. And then
Yes.
back. Neat.
Alright, let's try with a different
All
one.
right. Yeah. I fucked it up.
See the shape on this?
Yeah. I got it. All right. Not all the way in. Hi, Mom and Dad. Then all the way in, and the other way. That you're saying
You have your key.
makes the key.
You will have to be putting some pressure this way to open it.
So I got my curve.
Sort of. Wait. Nope. Here, watch. Hand up.
I don't think I have this
Put
curve.
pressure here.
Pressure there.
So you're basically trying to put pressure here so this hand goes that way. And just, you basically just have to push it in to release it. Did you get a notch? No.
It's hard with one hand.
It's all about pushing that way.
Pushing that way. Oh, I see what you mean. Don't
Yep.
turn it at all. Okay.
Yeah.
Son of a bitch. It's harder than it looks.
Check the shape. See how it's
My shape is off.
Let's do one that has 4 or 5. That's easy.
you had a couple, didn't you?
Yeah. Started to.
That's a 6.
This is a lot harder than it looks.
Yeah,
I mean, I could just slide out of them right now, but
See, that's an advantage you have. I have really fat wrists and hands. That happened to me once in competition. Luckily, I had others.
yeah. Yeah. I guess.
oh wait, started to go.
Small ones are easy.
Catching it is the hardest part.
If the shape changes, you have to reset it.
There we go.